Hi guys, this is for Computer Programming 1. Hello, welcome to e-learning. I just wanted to check in with you and say hi. I hope you are staying healthy and staying away from other people. These are some crazy times. This is a weird time to be in school. Weird time for all of us, teachers, students, administrators, everybody. So for e-learning, hopefully you will be good about checking Google Classroom each day. You're expected to check it every day. Our week will be Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. No, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday will be like a planning day for teachers. So please be sure to check it each day. Our class is going to do a like Google Hangout meeting on Friday. So in 2 days, we'll be doing a Google Hangout at the beginning of our class time, which our class for first period starts at 9. So plan on being on at 9. And then for fifth period, those of you who have fifth period, we'll start it at, 12 o'clock, so noon. And we'll just be on for a few minutes. We're not going to meet the entire class time. I just want to be on there so we can kind of say hi to each other. And after you tried out today's assignment, you have a couple days to work on that, see what questions you have, or maybe suggestions for other people. So just do the best you can on your assignment, not just for this class, for all of your classes. This is new for everybody, so there are going to be some growing pains, and you're probably going to have questions and confusion and that sort of thing, and that's fine. Just be patient. Don't be too hard on yourself. Please be patient with your teachers too, and let us know how we can help you, or at least let me know how I can help you, or if you have a suggestion for a better way to do something, I'll listen, and I appreciate any feedback that you'll give me. So we talked about using Replit the day before we left for spring break. And so that's what we're going to be using. People were able to use it on their phone, on your iPad. I think we tried it on iPad, Chromebook, phone, and then of course on a PC if you have one. So that should be good. There's another video that kind of gives you a demo where it shows the screen for Replit on how to do that. So your first assignment is super short, and that's what I want you to do between now and when we meet on Friday, so today or tomorrow. It's a little windy outside. But work on that, and then on Friday, if you have questions or you have anything you want to ask about that or say or suggest, we'll take it. So please email me, use kscott@nafcs.org if you have any questions or need to say anything to me. I'll be checking that a lot. So please let me know. And I think that's all. I'm trying to see my notes here if there's anything else I need to tell you. No, I think that's all.